movement refers to the long, multifaceted struggle by the people of India to gain independence from British colonial rule. It spanned nearly 2 centuries and included various phases, ideologies, and leaders. The Battle of Plassey, fought on 23 June 1757, was a pivotal event in Indian and British colonial history. It marked the beginning of British political and military dominance in India. The background was British East India Company had been expanding its influence in Bengal, leading to tension with the Nawab. Siraj-ud-Daulah opposed British fortification of settlements and their interference in Bengal's politics. Revolt of 1857, also called the First War of Independence, led by figures like Rani Lakshmi Bai, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Tatya Tope, and Nana Sahib. The Revolt of 1857, also known as the First War of Indian Independence, was a major, but ultimately unsuccessful, uprising against the British East India Company's rule in India. It began in May 1857 and continued into 1858. Major events: March 1857, Mangal Pandey attacks British officers in Barakpur. 10th May 1857, Mutiny begins in Meerut. Delhi, rebels capture the city and declare Bahadur Shah Zafar as the emperor. Kanpur, led by Nana Sahib. Jhansi, fierce resistance by Rani Lakshmi Bai. Lucknow, led by Begum Hazrat Mahal. Bareilly, led by Khan Bahadur Khan. Moderate phase, 1885 to 1905. Formation of Indian National Congress (INC) in 1885. Leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and M.G. Ranade followed a moderate and constitutional path. Focus on petitions, reforms, and public awareness. Formation of Indian National Congress (INC) in 1885. Hello friend, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. I really appreciate your support.